Star, if it takes so long with General, I don't know, but they have to pull it down and clean it up and load it up and everything and make sure so I get the thing well proper in my boss. So you think I'm a boss.
You know, see a long time you for dead do about Juvie.
Me, my General, if it dead for what my boss, I want me do my boss, I want me do my boss, what me do.
Yo, Tuggy, move from side of that dead boy, you know, because you and me don't want none of them blood splash and catch you, you know. So just move from side of him for me. Because that boy come chat off him mouth about him ready for take my bat. But look for little you about take bat. Hey boy, bad Juvie. A dead you got dead in idea, yeah.
Yo, my general, I want to go on my boss. I want all of this for my general. All of this for my general. Talk to me, the general, man. Yo, general, calm down, general. Yo, general, none of this now for go on, my boss. Please, man, I beg my boss. I want to go on.
Wagwan, my general, what? One thing I see if you ain't a boy tuggy, make me no slap all a shot all in your face too, you know. I chew my daddy and hear saying I have to support the boy bad Juvie, you know. And that alone I save you. That me I make you know. So yo, better you just lock off all your mouth and to say nothing at all to me, you know. Cause right you know, me get dark and cross and I blood me one until I like you. And bad Juvie, I fear what me had a drink.
Lungs and skirt higher. A shot that just fire in a higher. Yo, them one they sound like them canic in a higher. Sure no star that sound close like a next door that go on. But there I go look over the eye fence to see where I go on.
Yo, Tuggy, bring that little object. They got on a KPH called left that in a me tell you this to you, boy, bad Juvie. One thing me cannot do all in a day, you know. Remember me tell you, say, I chew your little cousin lose him life under my watchman. And that alone save you in a day about you want take bad man back. But look for you too. You never flick a little smile back about you want to size up. Yo, remember me tell you, you that true man nah kill her some amount of woman, kill her some amount of family boy and make you feel like say you want to size up with bad man thing, you know. And you see all you to boy tuggy. If you know what you do to you know, you entertain them like a boy, you know. Remember me telling you, man, a different type of BaddaDan on have experience right now, man. Remember me telling you, on a draw the corruption out of me right now. So you can just spread the word. Any little boy about you, you feel like so them want to come size up and get in a little smart idea. And let me go lick out the whole of tomorrow, clean the ground. Yeah, man. Watch and see where I go on, man. Watch and see where I go on. Yo. Tuggy, make the object reach down a KPH now.
Lad, my foot broke star, my foot broke star. The general, I'm sorry, but general, but now make that up my again, my general. Then now make that up my again, my general, I'm sorry.
Hey boy, bad Juvie, you better lock off your mouth over this too, you know, I don't want to hear a sound out of you, boy. Might be have to finish when I start, boy. You dead over this, you know, you're chatting, you know, ballings. Yo, I dead you for dead an idea, yeah. Yo, Tuggy, you know hear me say, get the object on a KPH now and take him out of my sight.
Yeah, man, my general, man, I got deal with it right, you know, man. I on the phone, I call Cabby right, you know, so come pick him up and can't go to my KPH, go lift him down, lift him on my boss.
Hello, how this?
Yo, Cabby, here I go on, Tuggy, I chat till you. Why you float over upon the ends right now still more you deal with a little small matter to me right now, star, you see it? All up and forward.
We are talking about the Tuggy. What kind of situation I go on over upon the ends? Talk to me, man. No one know where I go on, and I want to know where I come get myself in before me even forward over this side.
Yeah, I hear me, Cabby, but with the whole heap of talking right you know, and but I get the boss dark more than how the boss dark already right you know. And we tell you this, Cabby, if you don't reach over yes, right you know. You're good at get BaddaDan, head more plug out than how it plug out right you know. So hear me and say, float over upon the ends. Now come deal with the matters of the general.
Then Tuggy, then that I should have start half a sentence with man as long as I say BaddaDan, say you know, say me dead. I say how old man, me dead man, right away without delay. Father God, what is for me do a lot an idea star? What is for me? Coming like a bad luck or a crosses. Every time foolishness go on in our community, come me like I want go one taxi man number alone the my man have. Boy, me I tell a star, Father God, please me I beg you. Bless the lot of ticket I when me just my a while ago. Bless it, Father God, so me win. Yo, me I forget a piece of money I elevate myself out of this place, you know. Cause me know when me reach out and go uptown, them uptown people and I call me if you go do not. Yo, Jano Star, me I tell you say, yo, me stress out in that place, man. Every day or something else. Me can't just bet me last dollar some sort of folly then go on with, you know. I want to use my car if you got the boy, Jano Star. For be poor is really a crime, you know. Nobody can tell me nothing, me say when you're born poor, come like you're born in a one jail cell and come like a one life sentence so you can't come out of. I tell a star, Jano Star. Alright, Jano, me saw Bud.
Hey Ashley, what's up? I don't even know where to start, but definitely it is indeed a pleasure to meet you.
Nice to meet you to my father. I'm glad me finally get to meet you.
Alright Ashley, let's sit down and have a long talk so I can fill you in with pretty much everything that has happened over the years leading up to today.
All right, my father, all right. Me go sit down.
So Ashley, let's talk. But first, how's your mother? How's she doing? I've not seen Sue in years. Is she okay? Is she still the hottest thing on the block?
Hottest thing on the block, my dear. Come like you know my mother for real. Cause all in a fear mind she feels that she the hottest thing what God make right and now. And our day when I'm a little sister them turn her in a granny, you know. So our day I'm in trouble her and I say, yo, you're not hot again, your hotness days done your turn. Bash me in granny and now she just laugh.
Well, that sounds just about right. Definitely speaking about Hattie Sue. I see that nothing much has changed with your mother.
You're right, but that you know, Mr. Sir, not much not really to change for true. She still did the same way I go and batter around the old board villa places, so same way. Same place round there, so she catch up same way. Not now go on. The only thing I probably change the amount of pick me and baby father they must have.
Well, sorry about that, but let's talk. Well, first I have to say that I noticed that you have been acknowledging me as your father. A part of me really wish that I was, because I see that you have blossomed into a really beautiful and lovely young woman who is definitely trying to do good for herself. But if I have to be honest, I am not your biological dad. Yeah, I know it's kind of disappointing, but let's look on the bright side. I am your biological uncle, though.
My what? My biological uncle? So what you mean? So how this move from you being my father to my uncle? Me not understand. Fill me in there for me, please, cause right now me lost.
So alright, let me try to see if I can make you understand better what happened. So I had a twin brother who sadly lost his life some time ago. But as kids, we used to play cranks on people because we were identical twins. The only difference between us is that I was a little bit tall about facial features, body structure, identical down to the T. So we used to play tricks not only on our parents but also on girls that we had interest in. But at the time, your mother really did like me, but I had other interest, who is presently my wife and the mother of my daughter, Rachel. But your mother didn't really know the difference between us. So I usually send my brother in my place, somewhere, somehow along the line. he fell in love with your mother, and that is how you came about. So after his tragic passing, your mother would have thought that I was your father. And in the midst of my brother losing his life and your mother giving birth to you, a lot of stuff happened right in the same time frame. And I had to leave. I had to make that conscious decision to leave. And at the same time of your mother being pregnant and giving birth to you, my now wife was also pregnant and giving birth to my daughter Rachel. So everything happened so fast, so quick, and all of what I was personally going through also at the time that made me have to leave Jamaica, with the help of a really good friend of mine, to which I'll get into later on. But yeah, all of that happened, and I left Jamaica, and it took me some time to return, and I lost all contact with your mother, so I never really had the chance to explain everything to her, that her child is not necessarily mine, not my brother's. But know that my brother is not here. Technically, you are my child, because that's my twin brother. And if he's not here, I will have to step up and take full responsibilities of his child. I'm pretty sure that he would have done the same for me. So I do apologize, Ashley. I really do apologize, because I know it must have been rough for you to grow alone without a father, without the financial support that you needed. Ashley, I'm really sorry, and I do hope that you find it in your heart to forgive me.
Hold on, someone, please. I really do need to take this call. Hello?
Yo, Ashley, where you there? Where you there? You need to meet up with me. No. GeeGuh plan for send man for go liquor my mother style. Chad no style, the man say need him strap. No, Ashley, me I beg you, please come meet with me right, you know. Me need for carry go give him right now, Ashley. Ashley, you know where you there, come link me. Ashley, talk to me no man, or you not answer me, Ashley. Ashley, come meet me. No, me no want nothing at all to my mother.
Okay, Brandon, but you have to give me a minute, Brandon. I can't deal with this right now. Just give me a minute. I'll call you back in 5 minutes, please.
But I would it. Hold on. I wish you do. Girl just hang up in a me star. Chia no star. I want this palm and do a lot now, the star. I want this palm and do a lot now, the star. Yeah, Church of God star. Me have to star. I want this.
Hey, Brandon, are you okay? What's happening with you?
No, and Rachel, you know, I'm not alright, though. Big man levels, me not alright. You know, I'm a beg you do me a quick favor, though. Please, me a beg you, Rachel. Me da even wire some money to go come through, right, you know. Me a beg you go up on my mother yard. Me a call her and tell her if I just put on some clothes here, come and pick her up. Just a beg you for just pick her up and carry her go anyway at all. Carry her go up a half a tree. Carry her go up a sovereign, go buy some ice cream. Something me just no want her down the right, you know. Me have some things I deal with, and me just no want her down the right, you know. That bigger, baby. My bigger, just trust me upon that one. I know you have a lot of questions in your mind about what really happened, but I cannot get into it right now, baby. So me I beg you, just trust me upon that one. Just pick up my mother and bring her out of the house, please. Please, may I beg you, baby. Please, may I beg you. Just do that for me, please.
Okay, hun. I'm trusting you with this. Just please be careful. I'm going to go pick her up and do as you ask.
Yo, Atul, come link me round on the free, right? You know, me need for chat to you about something. Forward.
Yeah, man, my general, man. That's a 40, man. Me dip on my way, right, you know. Yo, Jano star, man. Just come in from jail in the star. The general never want, man, for all the liquor rest off. Yo, Atul, forward round pan the ends, come link me. Yo, Chano star, General need figure get some little rankings for himself or something star like alright, you know. I that me depend. It's a girl me I pray if you come give me a link on the ends and man at about man to come link him. Can't bother with them lifestyle and star. Chano star, more time if I never a general in a man. Tell him peace of my mind in about. So me know them man a corrupt and stay star. Me have to just go and hold it still like a big fussy. So you go still. Chano star but walk around the go link him now, yeah. Yeah, baby. Yeah, take us. Yeah, mama. Look good, you know. Yeah, I hear my mama. Anytime I forward back still in the moment and feature for the earnings there, man. You see it, man. Yeah, you drop on the killer, you are ball, and I not lie. Your time good. When me I pass back still, yeah, one year.
You what too? You hear from the boy Brandon. Him forward over here yet and come left me strap.
No, and I'm a general, I know some I hear nothing at all from Brandon from a jump out of a place and come back in as upon the ends, my general. But when time we get fly up out of a place, I never did glimpse you and him all a small reason when I time close to the bus stop in front of the station, listen.
What you just say? You see me a reason with Brandon. What kind of reasoning that you talk about? Now Brandon nothing at all for reason about, man. I page my page Brandon for make sure something reach back by me ends. That me I make you know. So that's why I call you right you know. And I find out what go on with this trap if it not reach back on the ends yet. But like how you give me the answer there. That simple means it not reach back on the ends yet. So here we go on and know at all. More you get to the little bad juvenile him and circle around the mother yard. And I want him mother dead. You hear what I say at all? I want him mother what? Dead.
What you really just say, bossy? You want him mother dead? For real, my general? Chano star. You know that little old lady there long time in my general I want good lady, you know? Member good no bossy man, member good no man, a good lady that's in a man. We grew up at school and the lady they used to sell some of my baddest flitters at school gate, there's a star. General. Chano star general. Me I beg for that one, my general. Please, me general. Nobody hurt that little old lady, man. I want good lady, man. And so what go on with you and Brendan, my general? What go on with you and Brendan?
You know say coming like you forget your space do at all. You know say coming like you want man get corrupt and slap a shot in a ear there. Awa, you want me saying go kill for your mama instead. Talking. Any one of them can work out, you know. So just make me know where you're depend. Me did always feel say me are your Dan. I never know say you are my Dan. She where me say man. Grandan Muma Fedua. Dead. Hear that? Him gany you not carry out me instructions. I fear Muma I got dead. And then I ga have your head. A year of me I say I told. A year of me I say. When me say Brandon mother for do?
Dead my boss. Dead my boss. You say Brandon mother for dead my boss. Chano a star, my general. Chano a star.
Hello. Mommy. Hear me I say. Rachel and her way over there. I say me have to come pick you up here. She got carry you out to get some food or some ice cream or something. I just want to do something nice here. So just put on some clothes real quick. She can come pick you up right now. She dep on her way, alright? Me alright, man. Alright, mommy. Me good. Me alright. Me come out. Me just there. I try to sort out the paperwork and everything for go up on the farm work and be a try see if I can pack up some clothes to and thing. Cause you don't know see in the next few days. Quick and fast it there. So Rachel dep on her way. I come link you. You hear, mommy?
Alright, my son, alright. I gotta put on some clothes, I know. Yeah, thank you still, Brandon. Thank you for saying I come, cause a long time I never get to come out of the house and go stretch me all bone them. I got carry one like a change with me too. I'm bigger, can I got the pharmacy so I can get them the clot right, is pill in half a tree. Yes, Brandon. I'm glad to see you come out. Just hurry up and get everything together. Cause I really want you to go on to, you know. I really want you to live out of this place. Cause things just not feel too right with you at all. When I know one thing is the other. Me feel better if you go on to Canada.
Alright, mommy, alright, as always. Me would feel better when time I dey at Canada too. So me there I go and get everything together. Alright, mommy? So later.
I'm so very sorry, Ashley. I'm so very sorry. I'm pretty sure that this is not what you came here to hear. But let's look at the bright side. At least you know have an uncle that considers you as his daughter. An uncle that also have a daughter. That's your cousin. So my daughter, Rachel, is your cousin. So now you can safely say that you have family members on your father's side. So let's look at the bright side instead of you just sitting there crying your eyes out. I know it's hard for you to take in all of this all at once, but I just did not want to hide anything from you. I did not want to put it up for you or anything like that. I just wanted to let you know the truth. Alright?
So you do know that your daughter Rachel, my cousin, is now the girlfriend of my ex-boyfriend Brandon? You know that? You know that?
Yeah, I definitely understand that on how it looks, but again, Ashley, look at the bright side. What if I was indeed your father? You would not be cousins, but you two would be sisters, and that would be way worse. Think about that. So, it is what it is. And we all can have a sit down very soon as a family unit and talk this over and move on from this. I want to be a part of your life. I want to be that father figure that sadly my brother is not here to be for you. Alright? And please say hi to your mother for me. It has been a long time since I've seen her.
Okay, Uncle, I understand, and you're right. But I also have one last thing to say to you too.
What's that? What is it that you have to say to me?
You remember one man who them call Thomas, but them call him Tom or Uncle Tom? Him say fi big you up still, you know. I him help me fi find you, know. I him tell me everything that me need to know and point me in the right direction. Him say, yeah, him a did good friend one at a time.
You mean Tom? Tom will speak with an accent? Yes, man. Tom is my very good friend. Tom is a really great individual. I grew up with Tom. I used to look up to Tom. In fact, Tom is one of those men that helped to groom me to become the successful person that I am today. Where is he? How is he doing? Tom must be doing pretty well because Tom was very smart, very articulate, and well put together growing up. Tom, definitely, yes. I would love to have a number for him.
Well, I think I see him time that you talk still. See him time when me talk, I see him time when you talk about. Him no successful none at all again, boy. Tom drop right on him face, pudoof, bluff. Nothing a go on for Tom. Tom broke like a bottle. I know one little old building over I get to this Tom live right you know. Nothing a go on for him. A wood fire and old cheese pan Tom a fair cook out. Yeah, not a thing a go on for Tom. So that's why I tell myself to reach out to you still so you can give me one link. Me no know. Me no know if I can help him back on him feet still, but try and get deported and come back for him. Nothing a go on for him, none at all, unks.
Oh my, are you serious, Ashley? Tom living in an empty old building in the ghetto? It can't be the same Tom that you're talking about. No, not the Tom that I know. This is wild. My God. Do you have a phone number for him? I need his number right now. I have to call Tom. Tom cannot be living in the street and I'm doing so well for myself. No, never. Give me his number right now.
So where Tom forget phone number from uncle? One time I tell her say man broke me mean, the man broke. Me mean literally broke like buckle. Nothing nah go on for him. He nah no phone. The only thing me can do when time me a pass, me can call him and me call you and give him the phone for talk to you. I best that me can do. Uncle Tom nah no phone.
Oh my God. I feel so bad. But anyway, Ashley, we'll have to talk later on the phone and we'll catch up some other time because I need to be back at the office right now. Alright?
Okay, uncle. No problem. We'll talk to you later. Alright? Yo, Brandon, how happen? I want make you did that call me. Oh, your sounds up on the phone. How I go on? You good?
No, Ashley, me no good none at all, right? You know what that thing they me did a call about, me need that thing there right now. Cause the one GeeGuh plan for send man for come dirt, mama star. Me I tell a star, man want for murder my mother, yo. So right now, me need that right now. That's why I no want to find out a way then how come me need to come collect it now. Where there?
We are just here a while ago, the man want send man for come murder your mummy. You know, some of the half a tree right now, Brandon. Give me a little minute, they make a call a taxi. No, and jump on a taxi and come give you. Jesus, please, Chano Star, for real, I so did wicked. No, sir, me dear. Brandon, me sorry, me I come here. Cabby, how are you, Cabby? How are you?
You know, so my day and a half a tree, so I just left for over a guard car wash. Cause I did have to go clean up the vehicle. How am? How are you? You ready?
Yeah, Cabby, yeah. Me ready. Me the right at the gas station. That's over there in between the transport center and Pavilion Man. But the right, that's me turn up right on the front. The car miss me. Come now. You know, so me convince you and go one taxi alone upon this road. Cause every time I want a taxi and go, you alone, me see.
Me alone, you see. You see me there and child people. All of these crosses gonna pick up our phone and call me. Then if you call me, then who else will come? Idiot Ashley.
You have to take bad things make laugh at about. You have a pint still, Cabby. You have a pint. I may pick up my phone and call you. So yeah, how you feel come? You have a pint, man. You win that one. You win, Cabby. You win. But you know what? I feel like say secretly how you are my views TV though. I feel say you know, cause you really sound like you a little way, you know. I feel like I am my views TV.
Me and my views TV. So why you could have even come up with that? Or that even drop in right as Ashley. Or that even drop in.
Oh, that even drop in, Cabby. Then you could ask that. Me dear, you know why? Because you invest in a people business. That's why me say so. You're always in a people business.
Me always in my people business or a people business always present itself to me. Me go about my business and over God car wash me go wash out my car and I come me just carry bad Juviga hospital and shut him up down in a ghetto this. So me I come down you know and you call me and when time I prep through my window now you missy. Turn up over there so we do our old man. So me I say wait. Actually I have one little sugar daddy uptown yeah. I am she did come meet. So I know me love people business. A people business always present itself to me.
Now you see what me I talk about now. You see what me I talk about how this Cabby boy I mix up and stay. You see me with a man stand up there say yes. So what? I couldn't my father. I couldn't my uncle. I couldn't my grandfather. I couldn't just one friend. I couldn't one man see me and just like me and I say hi. Why you have to talk about my sugar daddy? Why? Because the man clean and look like him live uptown. You see what me I talk about though? You see how you mix up and stay, Cabby? You see how you mix up and stay though? Me know you're ready for go tell me body now about Ashley of Sugar Daddy uptown. You mix up, Cabby, you mix up. Me dear.
BaddaDan, da. Step aside now. Our old man come to take over.
Ah, boy. You say you nasty, Cabby. I me had you a word pan about old man come to take over.
You see, so me stop talk to you all long. So me can't sing a little song again. Me can't sing a song in my vehicle. Shaja.
Go on, yeah. Hurry up and carry me down. Cabby, hurry up and carry me down. Cause me can't bother with you, right? You know, you is just too much stress in the evening. Hurry up and carry me down. Cause me have something urgent for deal with. Brandon, come to my yard right now. Come meet me feeding now. Go feed right now. Me I walk go to my yard right now. Here? So hurry up and come. Hurry up and come.
No say 40, me a forward right down, me a forward.
Our Brandon de man. Our Brandon de. Come on, the man Brandon man. No, yeah, takes so long for forward. Chano star. Me really no want them doing mother not Nila. Sure. Brandon, oh yeah, there's so long. Hello? Auda. Auda come up on the door.
Yo, actually, I mean Brandon.
See the thing they over there, so put on. Just hurry up and carry go back up at GeeGuh. Please, but not one of them day mother nothing.
Yeah, man, I made a deal with right, you know, star. General Star Ashley. Thanks, yeah? Thanks.
Yo, bro. And your boy Brandon that. Why am I look so? You look edgy, bad man. No man, something not right with Brandon none at all, man. How I go on? Why him look so?
Oh yeah, with friends like these, who needs enemies? Never saw it coming, not from you. We were closer than blood, yeah, I thought it was true. Shared every secret, every scar, every dream. Now I'm questioning what any of it means. You were family and all, but name. Now every memory soaked in shame. Swore you stand by me through anything. Didn't know betrayal's what you'd bring. You played your part so perfect.